Ink Different Tattoos presents Mastering Your Tattoo Portfolio, a step-by-step guide. You want to become a tattoo artist? Start with your portfolio. Breaking into the tattoo industry isn't easy. It often feels like a closed circle. That's why your portfolio is the most important tool you'll ever create. It proves your skills, showcases your creativity, and gives mentors or clients a reason to take you seriously. When someone asks, "Can I see your portfolio?" you need to be ready with something impressive. Why your tattoo portfolio matters. A tattoo portfolio is more than a collection of drawings. It's your audition, resume, and introduction to the industry. It shows your style, your growth, and your professionalism. A strong one helps you stand out from other artists, whether you're applying for an apprenticeship, looking for clients, or simply tracking your progress. Without it, breaking into tattooing is almost impossible. Step 1. Understand what a tattoo portfolio is. At its core, your portfolio is a carefully chosen set of your best tattoo-related work, art on paper, digital designs, or tattoos on skin. It should highlight both your creativity and technical skill. Both digital and physical portfolios have their benefits. Digital, easy to share, perfect for social media, always accessible. Physical, makes a stronger impression in interviews, feels personal and professional. The best option? Have both. Step 2, start with your best work. Only include your strongest and most recent pieces. 8 great works are far better than 25 rushed ones. First impressions matter, and mentors or clients can immediately tell if you put real effort into your selection. Step 3, include a variety of tattoo styles, but stay authentic. Show range, black and gray, color, realism, line work, neo-traditional or traditional American-Japanese styles. But don't add everything just to look versatile. Focus on the styles you truly enjoy and can deliver consistently. Clients and mentors will value quality and authenticity over being a jack-of-all-trades. Step 4, highlight line work, shading, and color theory. The basics matter most. A mentor or client wants to see clean lines, smooth shading, and smart use of color. Even if you're still learning, include your best examples and be ready to explain how you're improving. Bonus, show process photos of your work coming to life. Step 5, add original artwork and sketches. Your sketchbook is just as important as finished tattoos. Flash sheets, concept sketches, digital art, and works in progress all prove that you can design, create, and think originally. Sometimes these pieces even inspire tattoos clients want to get. Step 6, organize and present it professionally. Presentation is key. Keep the layout clean and consistent, group similar styles together, and label each piece with the medium, date, or title. A neat, organized portfolio shows you respect your craft. Step 7, keep it updated. A portfolio isn't one and done. It should grow with your skills. Replace old work with newer, stronger pieces as you improve. Don't be afraid to cut old favorites if they don't match your current level. Aim to have around 50 to 100 works total, showing both variety and growth. Bonus tips for mastering your tattoo portfolio. Write a short bio with your inspirations and goals. Never include half-finished or weak pieces. Use high-quality photos to capture detail. Ask for feedback from mentors, peers, or online tattoo communities. You've got this. Your tattoo portfolio is more than a book of designs. It's the foundation of your career. Build it with intention, present it with pride, and update it as you grow. Do that, and your portfolio won't just open doors, it'll prove you belong in the tattoo industry. If you are serious about becoming a professional tattoo artist, email or call us today.